A real-world document package is never just one thing. From applications, to loan estimates and closing disclosures, to driver's licenses, earning statements, and more. Rather than processing every page, you can classify the pages first, so you handle only the ones that matter. Let's dive into the implementation. It begins with a classes.json file where you define your document types. For an application packet like the one we just reviewed, you simply list every category you want to identify in plain English, like pay stubs, W-2s, or other key forms. Defining these categories keeps your pipeline fast, efficient, and production ready. Next up, the parse filter. Out of all those categories, you can choose to parse only the ones you actually care about, like our default set of 4 income documents. Everything still gets classified cheaply up front, but only your selected document types move on to the full parse step. Before launching the pipeline, we need to export the API key. Next, make sure all prerequisites are installed, including the LandingAI ADE Python library. As you can see, the pipeline starts and the filter takes effect. The loan application is correctly classified, but because it's not in our target filter set, it's skipped. When it hits a pay stub or W-2, it passes the filter and gets parsed into structured Markdown. This logic also handles merged, multi-page PDFs. Pages are classified individually, so filtering applies cleanly, ending with a clear summary of processed versus skipped documents. Try it yourself at ade.landing.ai.